where the dragon landed down. Hạ just mean descending. Long just mean dragon. The both of the word we call the Hạ Long Bay.
Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're heading to Song Cave, I think so.
Yes, it's a surprise cave.
Hope you guys like the drone shot of this morning and also the Tai Chi that Jade does.
Yeah, and we had breakfast, we had Tai Chi breakfast, and now the visit of the cave.
Okay, let's go.
Be careful, please, because some steps really slippery. Okay. The total area around Hạ Long Bay was 1,555 square kilometers around Hạ Long Bay. Very big, right? Including more than 2,000 mountains in Hạ Long Bay.
We are currently on a limestone and we're entering into the first cave. We arrived here at around 8 a.m. and it's quite a good time to visit this cave because otherwise all the path would be full of people. So guys, if you book a tour in Hạ Long Bay,
So many videos.
yeah, make sure that your tour is coming here at the early time, like really early, so
Yeah,
you know
can
the visit
choose
it's
the
much.
itinerary when you book your tour. They will show you of the schedule. So if you can choose one that come here early in the morning.
Okay, so these are stalactites, and when the water falls down, it sometimes, you know, form curious image like this one. What does it looks like to you?
Turtle!
Look at this. Yeah, and people are giving money to this one.
Yeah. Look at the shell. And this is his leg. Oh, maybe he has some eggs too.
Yeah, you have a lot of imagination, Jade.
Yeah, I do.
Okay guys, so we're back on the boat. We're heading back to the harbor. Just to summarize our trip here, we were on a 2-day, 1-night trip, and each boat offered different activities. So our suggestion for you guys is to list what you want to visit here and check accordingly to what the boats offer. There's also another boat that offer a 3-day, 2-nights, which is also very popular. So you know you have more time to visit stuff. As far as the 2-day, 1-night was perfect for us. Anyways, we're gonna put the link down below. Now we're heading to Ninh Binh. Some of the travelers from Hanoi would have to come back to Hanoi. If you guys want to, you know, instead of having to do the road back to Hanoi and heading next to Ninh Binh, well, follow us because we're gonna show you guys how to get from here to Ninh Binh. See you guys later. Okay, so before we head back to the harbor. There's a last brunch that is offered on the boat. So follow me here, down there. You have some beef stew, you have some salad with some seafood salad. This is the squid that we fished last night.
That we did not fish last night.
And this is very particular. This is lemongrass that are attached to chad. In Vietnamese they call that chả cá, which means fish. And you basically...
Like a fish pate, right?
Yeah, a fish pate.
That's been fried?
That has been fried, and you don't eat this part. This is the lemongrass, so it's
Just to give flavor.
yeah, but everything, the good part, the good yummy part is here. Okay, and one last surprise. We just met this beautiful couple. They are actually on a honeymoon. This is Gamma and Maru. So you have a beautiful trip?
Yes, we love it.
An awesome trip here in Vietnam.
Back on land right now. Jade just saw something she's been wanted since we got here.
I wanted the hat.
Yeah, the pointy hat.
Yeah,
So
and I saw some over there. I saw so many people with it. I'm so jealous. I wanted one. Hotel because we booked a bus directly from here to Ninh Binh. So we want to go north to south, and Ninh Binh, Hanoi, and the bay where we're at, it's actually like almost like a triangle. So we don't want to waste 2 hours and a half to go back to Hanoi and then from Hanoi to Ninh Binh. So I booked the tickets on bookaway.com for $12 US. That will take us directly from here to Ninh Binh. So there we go.
okay guys, so we made it to our first stop, and the words of today, it's vệ sinh, which is very practical when you need it. Vệ sinh, it means toilet. So, you survived?
Yeah. It's a really sketchy bathroom. That's all I have to say.
Yeah.
Well, not quite to the hotel, but it actually took a lot less time than anticipated.
Like
it's
4 hours, close to?
Yeah, 3 hours 45 minutes, so that's always great.
Yep.
Save less time on the bus. We're gonna let you guys go right now for this vlog, and we're gonna do the room tour of the new hotel in Ninh Binh in the next one. So
yeah.
If you like today's vlog,
don't forget to hit the 3 things like usual. Hit that like button, that subscribe if you haven't already are. Hit that bell also. Leave us your comment. How did you like Ha Long Bay?
Ask him to teach you Vietnamese. And also we're still sending you guys postcards. So leave us a comment below if you want a postcard from us from Vietnam. We love you guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye.